Hello and welcome to the Cyber One YouTube channel. My name is Ray, and in this video we're looking at the chest plate for Fred my Inmoov build. Now all of this has been printed using resin. I've used the Anycubic Tough Flexible UV cured resin. Cures at 405 nanometers, and this stuff is clear. Now when it first comes off the printer, yes, it is clear. Once you put it through the wash, it goes this translucent color, and it's not bad. You can put a light source behind it and you can actually see the light source coming through. And you can see here my paintbrush handle going through. One of the things you can do with resin, very much like ABS, with ABS you can use acetone as a solvent to glue it together. But we can also use the resin itself as a glue and then UV cure it, so we get a very fast cure. A little bit of a blemish there. Not to worry. So what I'm going to do, this is the top part above the chest, and that will get glued together like so, and then this screws on with these two parts here at the back sitting flush against a couple of mounts that are already on Fred's chest. So I've just recently purchased a curing light, and you can see how that goes clear as soon as you touch it with the resin. And I'll do the same with this piece. Now I should really be wearing gloves. Whatever you do, don't get this on your fingers. Just going to get some bigger clamps. Now that it's wet, does look a lot nicer when it's clear. Might just hit with that with a little bit of UV light just to cure that bit. interesting, the UV resin fluoresces under the light. So theoretically I should be able to pull that apart. And these two parts will stay together now. That's looking pretty good. It's almost dry. So the UV cure does work quite well. You can see the joint is mostly closed up in the middle. I might give that another coat and another radiation with UV light. It's still a little tacky, so I'll give it a bit more UV light before I call it quits. And yeah, I'm actually quite pleased with the way this is turning out. So you can see where I've cleaned it up and where I haven't. So I'll finish cleaning this up, and I'll have to go on to the rest of the chest. But that'll do for this video. If you like these videos, don't forget to click on like, subscribe, ring that notification bell. It's a form of support that helps the channel a great deal and costs you absolutely nothing. If you'd like to support the channel further, I do have a Patreon account, and you can join my VIPs Go Lucky and Lorenz Berger, and my builder patron Elmer Ellis 45 in supporting the channel. I also have a Discord channel or server. If you have any questions, feel free to either leave a comment below or drop into the Discord and leave a question there. If I can't answer it, someone else might be able to. And we'll see you in the next video.